Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Google Calendar to your Squarespace website so you can keep your visitors updated with real-time events, appointments, and schedules. Step 1. Log into your accounts. First, log into your Squarespace account. If this is your first time, click Create Account and follow the instructions on the screen. Next, open a new tab and head to your Google Calendar. This is where you'll get the code to embed Google Calendar in Squarespace. Step 2. Get your Google Calendar embed code. In Google Calendar, click the gear icon in the top right and select Settings. From the left-hand side, scroll to the calendar you want to use. Click the calendar name, for example, Business Events or Class Schedule, and then select Integrate Calendar. Look for the Embed Code section. This code will let you display a calendar on a Squarespace page. You can customize the calendar appearance and choose whether to show one or multiple calendars. Once ready, copy the embed code to your clipboard. Step 3. Embed the calendar into Squarespace. Now, switch back to your Squarespace dashboard. Go to the page where you want to show your calendar. Click Edit, click Add Block, and then choose the code block. Click the pencil icon and paste the Google Calendar embed code. You'll now see your live Google Calendar on your Squarespace site. Feel free to drag the block and place it where it fits best. Benefits of adding Google Calendar to Squarespace. By connecting Google Calendar to Squarespace, any updates you make to your calendar will automatically reflect on your website. This means your visitors will always see the latest updates, whether it's appointments, webinars, classes, or public events. It's a perfect solution for anyone looking to add a live calendar to Squarespace and improve user engagement. You can also create a public event calendar in Squarespace. Add a Google Calendar widget to your Squarespace homepage. Embed multiple calendars on different Squarespace pages. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Google Calendar with your Squarespace website the right way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on Squarespace customization and event management tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.